Hey, it's Dwayne here. We've been getting a few questions about Adventure Labs and, more importantly, how to put a bonus out for an Adventure Lab. So let's take a look at the process because the process is a tiny bit different. So let's say you've published your Adventure Lab and now you want to put a bonus on. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Play and hide a geocache. We're going to click on hide a cache and it wants to know the hiding spot. So your choices are already know the spot. Yes, we already know the spot. So we are going to hit continue. And now we have to designate what kind of cache. So since this is a bonus cache, it is a mystery. It's not a traditional or an earth cache or any of these multis or where it goes or letterboxes. It is an actual mystery cache. So we're going to click on that. And this is where it can get just a little bit tricky. So the first thing we need to put in is the container location, the final coordinates. So that would be a physical location. So I have that physical location right here. So we're going to copy that. And we're going to paste it in, and it's going to tell us if it's even available. Notice on the map over here these red circles, so you cannot be within the lines of a red circle. That location's not available, and it'll tell you down here under the map legend. So we're okay. We have that location available. But now, here's the part that if you forget to do this, then it creates all kinds of problems. But we're going to click add a stage. Now I'm going to go back. So this is going to be the virtual stage. So I'm going to click over here. I already have my virtual stage. Now the virtual stage, it can be close to other caches. It doesn't matter because it's just a virtual. There's no physical container. And I'm going to click physical or virtual. So it is a virtual. So we're going to click virtual. And then I'm going to add those coordinates. There we go. So now if you look at the map, you have a physical location and you have a virtual location. So under virtual location, it says you did not place a physical item at this location. And under container location, it gives the coordinates. But down here under visibility, we have hide completely. So your choices are visible, hide coordinates, or hide completely. But we don't want to hide, we don't want anybody to see this at all. It's totally, you have to complete the Adventure Lab to get those coordinates. So there you have it. That's how you do this. And I'm going to hit continue. And now you can go in and you can add parking. So we don't need any parking for this. Because if you add parking, you're liable to give away where the physical location is without the person actually doing the Adventure Lab. So continue, no parking. And then you build the geocache. Just everything else from here on in is just like you normally would do. So you have a geocache name, who it's placed by, your write-up, who can see it, premium or everyone. Usually on Adventure Labs, we put in everyone. And then you've read the directions, and then you hit continue, and on you go. So there you have it. That's exactly how you do it. And if we were to, let's go up here and click on our name, and we're going to click on our geocaches, so your geocaches. And then we're going to scroll down to another bonus that we've done. Let's see, birthday challenge. There we go. National Parks Adventure Lab bonus. I'm going to click on that. I want to just show you what it's going to look like in the system when you do a bonus. So these are the corrected coordinates. So I'm going to restore those to the original so we can see it a little bit better. Here you go. So that's all you see. You just see that virtual stage. Now, if I click on edit, so let's click on edit, and you can see what this looks like. There's your two locations. So this one's just right on the outside of a red circle, and then there is the virtual. That's the what people will see. It's right on the bridge. So if you look uh, at the coordinates, you're going to see the virtual is at this location and that the final location is hidden completely. So that's what it looks like. And then there's the write-up here. Uh, it's the bonus. So there you go. That gives you exactly what you are looking for. And I'm going to scroll down here and hit save and view. So that shows the National Parks Adventure Lab bonus, what you're looking at, how it's going to look to the geocacher, and that's exactly how you create a bonus um, for a lab. You just have to remember that you got two cache locations that you have to enter, the virtual location and then the hidden physical location. And if you do forget to do that, and I've done it in the past where I've actually forgot to put in the virtual location. If you go to one of the reviewers in our area, that would be GeoCrator or Thunder Eggs, and tell them what your problem is, they can fix it for you. So there you have it. Thanks for listening.